Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you doing? It's Charlie, the average guy fishing, with an episode brought to you by Sox Renovation and Design, your local home improvement contractor based out of good old Berkeley Springs, West Virginia, as well as Big Ed's Tackle Box. Berkeley Springs' one and only truly dedicated bait and tackle shop. It's been a while since I have posted really any fishing content besides tackle and this, that, and the other, so I think today we're going to do a little bit of fishing and see what we can get done. So like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, drop a comment and share. It's coming up on the end of the month. We have the shop giveaway, $50 gift certificate. We're getting closer to our 100 subscriber mark. Come on, guys, we can do this together. You know that. The weather here in good old West Virginia, it's been kind of spotty lately. It's been rainy, it's been hot, it's been sunny, been cloudy, been rainy, water's muddy. So today I'm just gonna throw an old filthy frog around for a little bit, maybe a whopper flopper, and we can just see how it goes. Trying to get some of that reaction money. Fishing has been pretty rough around here lately. Besides that, I have not learned yet really how to edit my videos. So if anybody has any editing suggestions, that would be outstanding. Like I said before in the beginning videos, this is the average guy fishing. All I'm fishing with is a Googan Squad 2-inch filthy frog in bullfrog with the tails trimmed down, a 7-foot medium heavy fast action Lew's speed stick from Walmart, cost about $35, and a quantum nitrous reel on 30-pound gray braid. That's all it is on this. And this is my go-to when I come to ponds and stuff that have some vegetation. Along with that, I'm throwing, I'm not really sure the brand, the Whopper Flopper, I think this is 90 on, once again, a Lew's speed stick, 7-foot, medium heavy, fast action with a Lew's Classic with 25-pound braid, straight braid, no fluoro leader, nothing like that. I don't know. I just happen to like it to the straight braid. It would be great if I could actually catch a fish for you guys today. Tell you what, we are going to move spots along the bank here, because you know me, bank fisherman, like a lot of us. So let's go for a walk, guys. All right. As you can see, this is not a big pond. It's a nice little pond, and there is good fishing here. I mean, I caught a 3 3/4, well, 3.7, so a 3.5 pounder. I guess that's what you call it. 3.74 would be a 3.5 pounder, which ain't bad. And I've caught a lot of 2s and stuff like that. So let's go ahead. We only moved a little bit. I want to bring you guys with me. Try not to drop you. Now, when I did my first tournament last year, this is where I came to wrap up. My wife showed me this place, and my friend, she's a resident, so I used to fish here. Time to get this reaction bite. But with the weather being the way it has been, I should actually be slowing down for some finesse. Everybody's telling me, Charlie, you need to slow down, stop power fishing, do some finesse work. That's just not me. I can't do it. I need to be on the go, constantly. Move. You know how it is. And I've also realized that I try too many baits when I go fishing. I'll keep changing my baits, I'll keep changing poles, this, that, and the other, instead of sticking with 1 or 2, or even just 1, to get my confidence up. Because if they're biting, they're going to bite. If they're not, they're not. Fish are where they're at. You know, they say that 90% of your bass are only going to be in 10% of your water. So we just need to find that 10% of water where these bass are going to be at and work a pattern. I did catch a really nice one yesterday. I took my son Dallas to the park, and we were just goofing off. We didn't have no camera or anything like that. I caught a good, probably 3 1/4. But other than that, it's been a bunch of smalls. Not 100% sure. I don't know if the fish have moved up to the deep, because they're done spawning here. These fish have already spawned and everything. You can come up here and you will see thousands of fry just swimming around the old beds. There'll be a few mamas and papas laying around. But this place here, next year, I can guarantee you it's going to have some fat bass, because there's probably 10,000 bluegill fry this year. I've seen so many beds, it's ridiculous. So the handful of bass that actually live in here, including that big 374, is, if everybody takes care of it, keeps it clean, then the bass that are in here will be feeding up on the fry. Sorry about how wobbly my camera work is. They'll be feeding up on them fry, and they'll have big old bellies. Between that and all the frogs that are in here, that's another thing I wouldn't suggest you ever find this place. I would not suggest swimming in here, because there are some massive turtles. Me personally, I'd be happy just to catch a fish a day. I mean, don't get me wrong, more fish is better. And there we go. See? Come on, calm down, buddy. Nice bass. Caught him a little sideways though. Little 1 pounder. He got both hooks in his lips. Nice little 1 pound bass. Spawned out. See the belly on it? Good looking fish. You let them go. You catch and you release. Catch and release. All right, so there's one out. There's one. Now I'm ready. That was on the old Filthy Frog, ladies and gentlemen. Not a big one, but it is one. I'll be right back.